teammates.
Alright, y'all, so today is December 17th and it is a Saturday. It's about 11:30 a.m. and we are headed to our annual Santa's Wonderland trip. Well, we're actually on it right now. Y'all know we gotta stop at Buccees like we always do. Then the hotel and then Santa's Wonderland later. So it's gonna be a weekend slash little vlog.
If you've been with us for a long time, you know we do this every year. You know what I'm saying? If you're new, well, you're in for a treat. You get to see Santa's Wonderland for the first time.
So if you're new here, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.
And make sure you hit that bell so you get notified of all the upcoming videos.
Let's get into it.
From D-Town to H-Town, you know that I got you, girl. Know that I'm gonna love you forever. It's my town and your town. Now that we're here, we gon' build this empire together. When you smile, I smile. As long as I got you, I'm gon' make sure that you smile forever. You're too down, I'm so proud. No matter the weather, we gon' pull through the storms together. You're my queen and I'm your king. You're my love, my everything. You have my heart and yours with me. I'm feeling like it's destiny.
Alright, so before we actually get on the road, we still like kind of close to our house. We gotta stop at Chick-fil-A because I'm hungry. I know he hungry. Time to eat. So Chick-fil-A is the first stop, and then we're gonna really get on the road later on. Check in not till 4 p.m. So it only take us about like an hour and a half to 2 hours to get out there. And then once we there, you know, we can chill out. But it's only 11:30 and
I'm gonna pull up early and try to see if the room ready. She think I'm gonna wait till 4 o'clock. I ain't waiting till 4 o'clock. I'm gonna be there at 2 o'clock like, hey, is the room ready? And they're gonna be like, yes, I'm glad you asked.
If you pull up at 2 o'clock and the rooms are not ready, then you basically like kind of wasted your time. Then what we're gonna do, we're just gonna sit there.
We're gonna go get food. We're gonna take some shots. See, it's a solution for every problem. You know, I'll try to think of the solution first. So we're on our way to Chick-fil-A. What you about to get?
I think I kind of want a sandwich, like the spicy deluxe chicken sandwich, but I also want some chicken tenders.
Them chicken tenders.
So I'm trying to see.
Chicken tenders be hitting them nuggets. I want some nuggets, dog. Oh,
them
man.
nuggets, it don't be enough, and they too
You
small.
get a 12 piece.
12 little bitty pieces. That's not enough.
Talking about 12 little bitty pieces.
It's too small for me. I need like some strips or something.
I'm excited to eat Chick-fil-A. Like we don't eat it all the time, but I want some Chick-fil-A today.
Sam got us addicted to Chick-fil-A. When I was pregnant, I don't know why. That's all he wanted to eat. Chick-fil-A, Chick-fil-A, Chick-fil-A.
Well, even before that, that's how I always been. Like, go to the gym, we go eat Chick-fil-A. Hey, that's just what it is.
Yeah. But I don't know what it was. Like, it was like you was craving that shit every day. I got tired of it. I was like, I don't want no more.
I still eat Chick-fil-A like that.
Every day. Like, it's crazy. I don't understand. You know how people be big on Starbucks? You big on Chick-fil-A like that.
Bro, that shit be good. Like, it be good. Like, and it don't be terrible for your body. From what I read, you know. Of course, you know, too much fast food or too much of anything ain't good for you. But I just think it tastes good.
I feel you.
So the Chick-fil-A sauce and the Polynesian sauce, like that shit's delicious.
Have a great day.
Thank you.
Yes.
Straws in the back there.
Okay. Thank you. Can I get like some more Chick-fil-A and Polynesian sauce? I asked for like 6 of them. Can I get like 2 more, please? Yeah, there's only 2 in each. I got 12 nuggets. Thank you. I got like 12 nuggets. Can I get like another Polynesian in the Chick-fil-A? Like, I only have 2.
Can we get one more Chick-fil-A and one more Polynesian? Okay, I'm asking, can I get more as a customer? Okay, how much is it? Can we pay for more? Can I get like a manager? Are you the manager?
They don't even make
Are you the manager?
I have a 12 count nugget. I only can get 2 sauces.
Okay, well, we're gonna get. I bet you we're gonna get some more.
You said maximum.
I thought so.
Ooh, I'm like, huh?
Okay, it was that simple.
Thank you. What the fuck? What are you talking about? Cause I'm like, bro, when you hit the nugget thing on the fucking app, if you want to put fucking multiple things, if you want to get 2 sauces for French fries, you can get 2 for French fries. If you want to get 2 for an entree, you can get 2 for an entree. So don't tell me we get max of 2. No, the fuck you don't.
Okay, but even if I'm one customer asking, can I get some more sauce?
Then she gonna say don't sell it.
And then I asked, like, can I buy it? No, you can't even buy it. Girl, this is Chick-fil-A. Girl, give me this damn sauce. Shit. And then, I was like, shit, do you have a manager? And then she wanted to give us a sauce. It was that simple. You could have did that shit from the beginning.
I will hold this whole fucking Chick-fil-A line up.
Okay, and you don't want
about
that.
some sauce. Stop playing. I definitely said I asked for like 6 of them. You're gonna reach in there and give 1 of them. Stop playing, bro. You being petty. Fucking playing with me about some sauce. Give me what the fuck we asked for.
Whew, child.
I'll never be going through that shit with no damn Chick-fil-A.
Chick-fil-A? I was like,
What
this
are you
is
doing,
Chick-fil-A.
sir? Can you get out the fucking way?
I'm like, this Chick-fil-A, this not McDonald's, bro. Give me the fucking sauce. Stop playing with me. And you should have said my pleasure instead of rolling your goddamn eyes. That's what you should have did.
That's why people be unemployed, and I don't be giving a fuck.
It was simple. And I'm like, if you're not gonna give it away, can I buy it? No, you can't buy it.
And what I say when we came in this, what I was like, when I seen it was this area, I was like, oh shit. And I felt like it was gonna be some bullshit.
Some bullshit.
Chick-fil-A's don't need to be in every area because people don't got the normal Chick-fil-A, like, you know what I'm saying, belief. Like, bro, what the fuck are you talking about? Arguing over sauce? McDonald's give you fucking sauce, nigga.
Okay. And at least they'll let you buy it if it ain't free or whatever.
Tell her you want a bottle. Bitch, I'm not about to buy no bottle.
Man, this shit was crazy. But anyways, obviously we got our Chick-fil-A.
Yeah.
It was crazy because as soon as you start asking for the manager and shit, she like, damn, it's about to be a big issue. Let me just give him the sauce. Why you just didn't give us the sauce in the beginning? Like, girl.
Yeah, we literally said, how much is it? Can we pay for it? Like, we want the sauce. Stop playing.
And the manager was going to give us the sauce anyway, so shit.
We're gonna apologize.
Exactly, because I was going to sit right through that until the problem was solved.
And they're gonna let you know, they're gonna do some more training with your stupid ass, nigga. They're gonna do some more
What
training.
you want to do? Where you want me to put it?
Up there. Yeah, they're gonna do some more training with your stupid ass. Sometimes it ain't even worth it to argue with a customer and hold the line up over sauce. Beaver nuggets.
Beaver nuggets.
Good old beaver nuggets.
So we are in Buccees, and we walked in, and it was just people everywhere. I'm like, things changed up real fast. There's a lot of people in here today.
I'm sorry, they got more beaver nuggets. I was looking at flavors.
They kind of, it's kind of packed. I'm not sure why. Oh, it is Saturday.
What they selling? Ooh, hot chocolate. Good drinks for sure. We're getting one of them sandwiches. Back in the car after Buccees. It was just a lot going on.
in there. It was a whole bunch of people.
It was so busy. And it's like, I feel like Buccees is always busy, but today it just seemed like it was just a lot going on. They was on the speaker, the bullhorn, talking about try our fresh nuts. And
they be having like samples and stuff in there. But look, we got...
Oh, yeah.
So, like, our friends, Aaron and Jenny, y'all saw them on the channel before. They having a Christmas... What's it called? Like a Christmas game night party?
Christmas game night party with like matching pajamas.
Yeah.
Couples game night with matching pajamas.
I don't know if it's couples.
I thought it said couples on the thing. No? Well, whatever. It's a game night with matching pajamas. We got to get the wording and verbiage and all that together. But the ultimate thing is
it's like for Christmas.
Night.
And so all the friends and the family going to come around and play games where it's matching. So whoever get the best pajamas, they win. So we went into Buccees or whatever, and I thought about it, and I was like, we should get pajamas from here because we still ain't got pajamas. Everybody sold out, or it's only the ugly ones.
You gotta tell them what it say.
So the shirts say it's not about what's under the tree; it's about who's rocking around it. And it got Bucky on the front,
boy Bucky on the back,
and the back, and
hey, they graphic design team is fire as hell.
We got these shorts to go with it.
Tell me them shorts ain't fire. They got little Buckies all around them. And we're gonna kill the game, you know what I'm saying? Of course, we gotta accessorize and style and, you know what I'm saying, all that with it, but...
Yeah. So, it's gonna be cute. We gotta get some socks and stuff. So, yeah, it's gonna be fun. But, we're about to get back on the road. We still got about an hour or so to, go before we get to our hotel. I got a chicken sandwich. What kind of sandwich you get? From Buccees? Yeah. I got a sandwich and ices. A sliced turkey sandwich. Yeah, barbecue turkey sandwich or whatever. It's supposed to be good. And they make them fresh all the time. I usually do like the sliced turkey or the sliced brisket, but today I was like, you know what? I'm in a fried chicken mood, so I'm gonna try the fried chicken sandwich. You know, if it's nasty, I'm gonna for sure tell y'all about it. And we got ices. Y'all know I mix mine. My joint look like, I ain't gonna even talk about it. But we back on road.